কাজী লোক
Thank you.
আমার ভালো লাগে না
Yeah. Hi, I'm Sabri CEO Shamapte and welcome to my channel, and today I have some skincare things that are not like they don't work. These are made, at least on my skin this didn't work, or I have better options. So yeah, let's start. So I'm gonna start with this passion fruit oil from Earth Rhythm. I bought it with like lofty expectations, but this is kind of meh, you know. It is lightweight, but after some time it makes my skin look greasy and it gave me few whiteheads, so I stopped using this. I would like use my squalane, rosehip or tamanu any day. I mean those things work better for me. I think passion fruit oil is not for me. So yeah, not gonna buy this again, gonna finish using it on my body. But I tried this pour out mask, it worked really well. I tried I think 2 more masks from this brand. One was nice, but the other one, the superfood one, was in the May. The glow one was nice, but yeah, this is the best out of those 3. It has AHA glycolic acid. I liked it, but I would prefer thicker consistency when it comes to a face mask. But overall it gave nice glow to my skin. If you're looking for a face mask with AHA, or if you want a face mask that can exfoliate your skin chemically, you can give it a try. But yeah, I won't be buying this one again. No, not for me. Maybe I should try using this on my hair. I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, then I have this L'Oreal gel cleanser, hydrating gel cleanser. Nothing against this cleanser, this is nice one, but this minimalist aquaporin cleanser and foxtail this hydrating cleanser, these things work better on my skin, so I won't be buying this again, to be very honest. This is good but not that hydrating. It is a normal cleanser, but since they're claiming this is one hydrating gel cleanser, so I'm gonna pit against the best hydrating cleansers I have used, and if I compare those things with this, I won't be buying this again, to be very honest. So yeah, and next I have I need to rant about this more. I spoke about this here, it was not enough. I had high hopes for this. It has 5% glycolic acid, it has 5% lactic acid, it has physical exfoliants in there, it is a body scrub, so I thought it's gonna be very good for KP, can exfoliate really well. But this is so harsh, it literally like gave me rash. It also cut my skin a bit. I was applying this on with skin, I was being gentle, and still it didn't work for me. No, I'm gonna finish using this on my feet, that's all. Too harsh for me. And then I have this Tony Moly emulsion. So initially it worked well for me, alright, but then it gave me whiteheads again, so I stopped using it. And I'm like fine with my this Asian Tree emulsion or Sunjong emulsion. Those work really well for me. The texture is very nice. It has EO, I think 2 or 3 EOs. So yeah, initially it worked well, but then again I was getting whiteheads, so I stopped using it, and I'm not gonna buy this again. Even I used their toner, that even didn't work for me, so I think their derma line is not for me. But I heard from you that it worked really well for some of you, and I'm really happy for that. But for me, no, I hate, you know, the things that give me whiteheads, because sometimes those whiteheads go just like that, but there are days when those whiteheads persist and they leave behind this red marks, PIE, and I really hate that. So yeah, okay, so next I have this Plum Candy Melts Bubble Yum. This is a decent lip balm, no denying, but I just don't reach out for it anymore. I like this one, their Berry Fist. I mean, it will tell you a lot, see. I'll buy this over this any day. Texture wise, I feel this to be more nourishing. Even the color, I like the color of this lip balm, so yeah, yes to that. But if you want non-tinted, a little bit lighter lip balm, you can go for this one. But personally, I'd pick this one over this, so I thought of letting you know. So next I have one very bad lip tint. This is Pixie by Petra. Oh god, this is really bad. Doesn't do anything. It's so drying. It doesn't leave behind any tint. I know sheer, but this sheer, what's the point of wearing this? What is the point of wearing this? I don't understand this, and this is so expensive. 1,500 for this, and doesn't leave behind any tint, nothing. Very disappointed, and thank god I didn't have to pay for this. I got this as freebies because I bought that eyeshadow palette from this sale, and so they gave me this freebie, and I was so happy. Then I got it, and it was like, oh god, see, it's gonna like disappear. It's gonna disappear in no time, leaving behind nothing, only a little bit sheen, that's all. And the sheen is okay, but I have like, you know, those glow giving serums and creams that can I use. When it comes to tint, I want something, some color. It doesn't have it at all. No, not gonna recommend this. They're like amazing lip tints. This is not it. I don't know the other shades. They have 3 shades. This is one of them. I don't know about that, but this one, this sheared one, I don't recommend. I do not. And those, you know, that eyeshadow palette I bought, it's so beautiful. I feel like scared to touch it even. So I bought it, but I couldn't even swatch it, you know, because this is so beautiful. And it happens to me, I buy something like, say, a beautiful eyeshadow palette. It looks so beautiful, I'm so scared of touching it only. So it ends up like not being used. So yeah, but I'm gonna make use of this palette because I really like it. Also, I got this glitter eyeshadow for free because I bought their skin tint. I love the skin tint. It works really well for me. Okay, so next I have, okay, I spoke about this before, but let's like talk about it again. This is one thing, Koi Lacrima Jobima what extract. Didn't do anything for me. Still struggling to finish it. See, I love their mugwort. I like their green tea a bit, but the mugwort is the best. Their purplish is really good, but this one is not it. Not gonna buy this again. Didn't do anything for my skin. Nothing. Is just water. Just water. No. Okay, the last thing I have is this one. This is Tony Moly Blackhead removing scrub. Initially it worked, I thought, but then I thought no, it's not working. So I shared this hack with you. You apply salicylic acid first, salicylic acid serum, 2% salicylic acid serum on your nose. Okay, let me tell you all the steps. First, you're gonna clean your skin. Then you're gonna dry your nose and skin also. Anyway, so then you're gonna apply that minimalist or any brand's 2% salicylic acid on your nose. Then you're gonna keep that for 5 minutes. And after that, you're gonna apply Aztec Secrets clay mask, that bentonite mask, on your nose, and you're gonna keep it for say 15 to 20 minutes. Then wash it off. It works really well on blackheads. If you have like really bad blackheads, you can do it twice in a week. If you have like less blackheads, once in a week should do. That works. But this very like volatile. Sometimes it's gonna work, sometimes it won't. And honestly, I won't be buying anything like this again. If I find something interesting, only then, because that hack works better for me. Till date, like I didn't find anything better than that. Okay, so yeah, here you have it, my skincare maze and all. So let me know the things you bought you didn't like that much. Those were like okay, but you won't be buying again. Just failed to impress you and very underperforming, you know. So yeah, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye, take care.